If Opera is showing you an SSL error and you need a quick way to bypass it and get the page loading again, this video will walk you through the safest troubleshooting steps. We're going to clear the cache, check Opera's security settings, turn off the built-in VPN if needed, and disable extensions that can interfere with the SSL handshake. If this helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, the simplest thing to try is clearing Opera's cache. Sometimes a damaged cache file or old browsing data can cause a secure website to fail loading properly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together to open the Clear Browsing Data screen. Make sure you are clearing cached images and files, and if needed, include cookies depending on the site issue you're seeing. Then confirm the clear action, wait for it to finish, and refresh the page. In many cases, this alone can fix the SSL error immediately. If the page still won't load, the next step is to open Opera settings. You can do this from the menu or by typing the settings page in the address bar. Once you're in settings, use the top search box and search for security. Opera may show options like protect me from malicious sites or security protection. This feature is useful, but in some cases it can be overly aggressive and interfere with certain websites. Temporarily toggle it off, then reload the page you were trying to visit. If the site opens correctly after that, you've confirmed the security protection was causing the conflict. Just remember to turn it back on immediately after you are done, so your browser stays protected. Another common cause of SSL problems is Opera's built-in VPN or privacy features. These tools can change your network headers or route traffic in a way that breaks the SSL handshake between your browser and the website. If you see the VPN badge near the address bar, click it and switch the VPN off. Then refresh the site and check whether the error disappears. This is especially useful if the error started appearing after enabling privacy tools or changing your network settings. If you're still seeing the issue, the next place to check is your extensions. Open the extensions page in Opera and temporarily disable any third-party antivirus shields, AD blockers, or privacy extensions. These are often helpful, but they can also interfere with secure connections, especially on websites that rely on strict SSL checks. Turn them off one by one if you're not sure which one is causing the problem, then reload the page after each change. Once the site starts working, you'll know which extension was responsible. At this point, you should have a much clearer idea of what was causing the SSL error in Opera. In most cases, the problem comes down to a cached data, a security filter, the VPN, or an extension that changes how the browser connects to the website. The key is to make one change at a time so you can identify the exact cause and fix it without guessing. If this video helped you fix the Opera SSL error, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy browser troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.